Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change voice prompt language for your earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3. You have to start by open EARFUN audio application. And of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap on them. Right here you need to scroll down and you need to find voice prompt setting. Tap at this line and here's 4 languages what EARFUN offer for us. Now just select the best one for you. Let's say I wanna change it to Germany, so click at this line and continue. And now we need to wait until this update finished. Don't use your earbuds, don't disconnect them, and just wait until this update finished. And also keep these earbuds close to your phone. Now I'm going to speed up it for you and then I will show you how to look successful update. So it almost finished. Here we go, these earbuds reconnect with your phone. So we almost done, and we did it. But I want to check, is it connected? Yes. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.